Hi again, same t-shirt because I promised myself that this is gonna be the last problem I solve. The last video was way too quick. I thought it'd be more challenging. But yeah, this is gonna be the last one I solve and then I'll be done for today. I promise. I think. Okay, so what is this gonna be? Basic algorithm. Hi, my name is Iqrah. We are solving one, two, three, fourth problem. Find the longest word in a string. Return the length of the longest word in the provided sentence. Your response should be a number. Remember to use read, search, ask if you get stuck. Okay, so find the longest word, length, and you're given a sentence. So I'm thinking the first thing to do would be actually split the sentence into the different words, and this time it's beautifully given as like spaced. So remember, like in the first word video we split it with no characters in the parameter. This time it'll be a space, obviously. And then and then I guess I'll just iterate through each word and then compare it to the length of the previous word, and if the length is greater we swap the number. If it's not, we just go to the next word and then return the longest word. Yeah, I think, yeah, that makes sense. Pretty sure it's like the long-winded way of doing things, but again, if you have a better way of solving it, let me know. So I'm gonna split it into an array first. So let str array is equal to str dot split, and this time inside the parameter we're putting a space. So if I want you to see it, my keyboard is a bit broken because my brother dropped it once. So the N, sometimes when I print N, it just kind of like prints it twice and it's really annoying. And my password has an N in it, so sometimes it gets annoying. Let me go to developer tools. Clear. And yeah, see, so each word is now in the array. Great. Then what do we do is we iterate through each array. Oh, let me actually have another variable to store the length of the first word. So let length max. I don't know if my naming conventions are good or not. Be str array of the 0th index. Yeah. Then we kind of go iterated. So for let I is equal to 0. This time we're going from front. There's no reason to go from, backwards. Less than, where is it? Str array dot length I plus plus. So we have an if statement now. If length of max is less than str array of I dot length. See what so many n got printed. Okay, yeah, length. Then length dot max is equal to str array I dot length. And then we kind of just return length max. I feel like this is not a good way of doing it, but that's all I could think of. Should I run it and check if it works? Doesn't work? Why doesn't it work? Let me just print it and see what happens. console.log length max. Oh. Why is it printing the? That makes no sense. I get it. Here it's length. That should fix it. Let's run it again. Oh, done. Great. That was easy. Oops, my volume button is... That was easy. Yeah, so should I run through the code again to make it more understandable? Off the hook. I hope this made sense, right? If it didn't, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. What I did basically was first split the sentence into different words and have the length of the first word stored in length.max, and then I kind of just iterated through each word and check if the length of the coming word is greater. If it was greater, then I kind of just swapped it, and if it wasn't, it wouldn't do anything. It will keep that word's length. And at the end, I just printed the length max, which stored the longest length of the word. Yeah. If there was a better way, I'm pretty sure there's a better way of doing it. Let me know. Bye.